Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great week. So last week we started coding on CodeSpark Academy. And if you did not do last week's lesson, you should go back and do last week's so that you will know how to get onto CodeSpark and know what to do. So, and then if you have time, you can come back and do this week's. Otherwise, just when you have time at a later date, you can then do this week's. So last week, we started coding with the foos. And here are the foos. And all the foos live in Fooville. These are all foos except for this guy in the middle here. That's Glitch. So last week we learned about algorithms. An algorithm are steps to complete a task. And we had to sequence those steps. So a set of instructions that follow one another in order. So we had to make sure that when we wrote our algorithm or our list of steps for Gracie, that we put them in the right order or sequence. So last week we worked with Gracie, who is the donut detective, and Glitch, whose main job is to cause problems in Fooville. So last week he stole Gracie's donuts and she had to go and collect all her donuts, get them all back. This week, Glitch causes problems in the pet store. He goes into the pet store and he opens all the crates and all the pets run away. So Gracie is going to have to go out into Fooville and try to gather up all the pets and bring them home. So this week's lesson is on debugging. So let's talk about errors or mistakes. What are some mistakes or errors that need to be solved in our classroom? And what are the ways we can fix these errors? So maybe you make a mistake when you're doing a math problem and you have to go back and retrace your steps and look at each step and say, where did I go wrong? And try to fix that error. Maybe sometimes when we're lining up, we're not so quiet and we make a lot of noise and the teacher says, all right, everyone, back to your desks. We're going to try this again. So those are some mistakes that we may make in class that need to be fixed. And that's how we fix them. So we call those mistakes when we're on a computer and we're coding, we call mistakes bugs. And we need to fix them or debug them. So debug means to find and fix errors or bugs in programs.
When we say that a computer program has a bug, we don't mean that it has ants or beetles in it. We mean that it has a mistake in the instructions which makes the program go wrong.
Brush hair, brush teeth. Use hairbrush and toothpaste.
If a computer is given the wrong set of instructions, it won't know it. It will follow the instructions step by step, even if they have mistakes in them.
Brush hair with hairbrush. Brush teeth with toothbrush.
If a program goes wrong, it means that there's a mistake or a bug in the instructions. Mistakes happen all the time. All we have to do is check them and fix them so we can get things to work properly.
All right, so we are going to look at this and we're going to debug it together. So in this code or this algorithm, it says walk, walk, turn left, walk, and this direction is left. So if we look at Gracie, she's going to walk, walk, turn left, and walk, and she's trying to get Glitch. So think about it. Do you think there's a bug in this program? Or do you think it'll work? Will Gracie get to Glitch? Well, let's try it. Walk, walk, turn left. Uh-oh. Walk. Where is the bug? Did you say turn left? Right. I think she's supposed to turn right. Let's try it again. Walk, walk, turn right, walk. Yay, she got glitch. So let's look at this problem. A student grouped the following circles by color. Debug the problem. Find and fix the error. Did you say that blue circle had to go over to the other group? That's right. Here's another one. A student wrote a sentence about her dog. It reads, "My dog ran house." This sentence doesn't sound right. Debug the sentence. Find and fix the error. So think about it. How would you fix that sentence? My dog ran house. Did you think my dog ran into the house? Maybe add those words. Maybe you thought my dog ran out of the house. So that would work too. Or my dog ran around the house. Any of those would fix that sentence and it would make sense. Maybe you thought of something different. So we are going to go to CodeSpark. And remember, when you are coding on CodeSpark, you need to test and learn. You start by understanding. You look and say, what's happening here? What do I need to do? What does Gracie need to do? Then I need to make a plan. I test my plan, and then I learn from it. Did it work? If it didn't work, then I need to try something different. Alrighty, so remember to log in to CodeSpark. You need to, in today's lesson, I have the Clever login. So you go to Clever. You can use your Clever badge. Go to A. Sullivan's page, the Beehive, and there is CodeSpark. Alrighty, so once you're logged in, you're going to go to Puzzles. And remember, last week we did puzzles 1 through 8 on Donut Detective. This week you are going to work on puzzles 9 through 17. So, here's the pet store, and there's Glitch. Oh no. He pulled the lever, and all the pets escaped. So, Gracie's on it. So the same thing, you are going to sequence the steps to find the pets. So I can see Gracie needs to probably move right, and then jump right, and then jump right, and then jump right again. Let's see what happens. Oh, and then she needs to jump right again. So let's restart it. And all my code is still there. Click Gracie, see if it works this time. So that is debugging what I just did. Still not working. What's my mistake? Maybe she needs to walk left now to get the cat. Let's reset it and try it again. So remember, we just learned about debugging. And that means to find the mistake and fix it. So I think I did it. Let's see. Yay! Took me a few tries, but I got there. So I hope you'll have fun coding today. Remember, you're going to make some mistakes. There are going to be some bugs, and you are going to have to debug it to get through the puzzle. Have fun.